Warning: Bitag Live Morning caters to mature audiences. Topics discussed are particularly on hot, timely, current issues purposely intended for Filipino viewers and listeners worldwide. Discussions may contain language that may not be appropriate for some sensitive audiences. If you do not approve of the content listed above, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewer maturity is advised.
Sabi ho ni Buddha, if someone gives you a gift and you refuse to accept the gift, to whom the gift now belongs? Sabi ho ganito, kung merong isang tao dyan na binibigyan ka ng regalo, subalit hindi mo tinanggap yung regalo, kanino ngayon mapupunta yung regalo? Di doon sa taong nagbibigay ng regalo, sa kanya pupunta yun. Ako'y naniniwala na alahong masamang tinapay ang ginawa ho ni Senator Manny Pacquiao na bigyan ho ng regalo. Kagandahang loob na pinagkaloob para doon ho sa kay General Bato. Si General Bato tinanggap yon. Kaya lang dito ho, hindi ho dapat nangyari yon. Maaring hindi alam ni Manny Pacquiao. Sa parte naman ho ni General Bato. Si General Bato hindi ho alam siguro na may mga batas na ganyan na hindi dapat. So, ako'y naniniwala na lahat naman, this could be a form of admonition, rebuke kung tawagin. Parang ibig sabihin, ngayon alam mo na, huwag mo nang uulitin. Sometimes, experience, good or bad, is the best teacher. kaya hindi ho dahilan para kay General Bato sabihin hindi ko alam yan. Might as well say, now that you learn it the hard way, you know, acquired knowledge is acquired through pain and sometimes pleasurable, and sometimes you learn it because of hard knock. Coming from the University of Hard Knocks, ibig sabihin, you just learn it from University of Hard Knocks. Isa ako dun sa universidad na yan.